Hey everybody, we're Premier Film and Sound. We're a new company in town and we are excited to serve you. I'm Rahila.
I'm Andrew, and we're here to inform you that stay tuned for our services that are coming to you for any kind of wedding, church event, corporate event, school event. We are here to serve you for any kind of film or sound need.
So make sure to follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, and on TikTok. And we cannot wait to work with you.